Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. Check hardware and OS compatibility, then enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Once done, open network settings and use admin rights to create a new mobile hotspot profile. Enter a secure password and choose 4 or 5 GHz depending on range and speed needs. Make sure sharing is set to Wi-Fi or Ethernet source as required and save changes. This sets the baseline so the laptop can advertise a network and accept client devices. Next, configure the software layer. On Windows, enable mobile hotspot or turn on internet connection sharing and bind it to the correct adapter. On Mac OS, open internet sharing, pick the incoming connection and choose Wi-Fi for output. Then set the SSID, security type, and channel. Avoid crowded channels for stability. After applying, verify the hosted network adapter appears in network connections and that drivers are active. If drivers are missing, update them now so the system can actually broadcast. Finish by connecting a client device and testing browsing to confirm both signal and internet routing. If the hotspot doesn't appear, turn the hotspot off and on, restart networking services, and reboot the laptop. Make sure no VPN or antivirus is blocking sharing. Once rebooted, update or reinstall wireless drivers and, if needed, run a network reset to clear corrupt configs. If problems persist, inspect adapter power settings and driver logs so you can pinpoint a hardware versus software failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.